In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your booking page into a website for Booksy. If you want to make it easier for clients to book appointments directly from your website, this is a simple and effective setup. By connecting your Booksy booking page to your site, you reduce friction for visitors and give them a clear path to schedule with you right away. To get started, open Booksy and sign in to your business dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct business account so you're working with the right booking page. Once you're inside, look for your booking settings or online presence section. This is where you'll usually find the unique link to your Booksy booking page, the same page customers use to book appointments with your business. When you find that link, copy the full URL carefully. This is the destination you'll connect to your website, so it's important to make sure you copy the correct address without changing anything. Next, open your website editor. This could be WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or any other website platform you use. Go to the page where you want visitors to book appointments. For most businesses, this is often the home page, a contact page, or a dedicated booking page. The goal is to place the booking option somewhere easy to find. From there, add either a booking button, a text link, or an embed section, depending on what your website platform allows. A button is usually the clearest option because it stands out and gives visitors a direct call to action. If your site builder supports embedding, you may also be able to place the booking experience more directly on the page. Now paste your Booksy booking URL into that button, link, or embed field. If you're using a button, make sure the button directs users to the correct booking page. If your platform offers an embed feature, follow that option using the same booking page link where supported. Once everything is in place, save your changes and publish your website updates. Saving alone may not make the changes visible to your visitors, so be sure the page is fully published. Finally, test the booking experience yourself. Visit your website as if you were a customer, click the booking button or open the embedded section, and confirm that it loads properly and allows appointments to be scheduled. This final check helps you catch anything that may need adjustment before clients start using it. That's it. Once your Booksy booking page is connected, your website becomes a much more convenient place for customers to book with you.